This has been one of the most intellectually challenging conferences I've been to for the last 10 years. I've been a part of AVSI and been part of the software development and unmanned systems community for about the last 20 years. And one of the reasons I used to go to all the AVSI conferences is because this was the kind of conversation that took place. We were able to share technical ideas, be challenged with new ideas, and be able to really stimulate the intellectual neurons here to move us forward in the community. And this, I have to say, has been one of the absolute best conferences because it has been intellectually honest, it has been challenging, it's brought forth a lot of new ideas. I'm actually leaving, going home, and going to address a lot of these ideas and plan to continue the association with the Silicon Valley chapter.